Want your new HVAC employee to seriously grow and stick around without breaking the bank on training? Alright, so first off, get them into some night classes at a local technical school if that's an option. It's way more affordable than a fancy program, and they'll get hands-on experience. Then, don't sleep on good old books and workbooks. There are some solid ones out there that break down HVAC basics in a way that's easy to understand. State-sponsored green training programs are another goldmine because they often focus on energy-efficient systems, which is super relevant right now and usually free or cheap. You can also find tons of online educational videos for HVAC training. Platforms like YouTube or specialized sites have lessons that range from beginner to advanced. Encourage your employee to practice what they learn on small jobs or simulations at work to build confidence. Regular check-ins to answer questions and offer feedback help them feel supported and not just thrown into the deep end. Plus, setting clear goals for their progress keeps motivation up and shows you care about their growth. One of the biggest mistakes companies make when training HVAC staff is expecting them to learn everything on the job without any formal education, which can leave gaps in their knowledge. Fix this by combining hands-on work with structured learning like night classes or online courses. Another common problem is choosing expensive training options that aren't budget-friendly, leading to burnout or quitting. Instead, prioritize free or low-cost resources such as state-sponsored programs or books. Lastly, not providing ongoing support after the initial training can make employees feel lost or undervalued. Make sure you schedule regular check-ins and create a culture where questions and learning are encouraged. BigHomeProjects.com is a handy tool for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It's also great for contractors wanting to connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for both sides to link up and get projects done right.